severe cyclonic storm Biparjoy is set to intensify further in the next 24 hours, the Indian Meteorological Department said on Saturday. According to the latest weather bulletin issued by the IMD, the cyclonic storm, which is currently located about 690 km west of Goa, 640 km west-southwest of Mumbai, and 640 km south-southwest of Porbandar, is packing winds of up to 145 km per hour. The weather department also said that the cyclone would move north-northeastwards. Very severe cyclonic storm Biparjoy at 11:30 hours IST of 9th June over East Central Arabian Sea near latitude 16 degree north and longitude 67.4 east, likely to intensify further and move north-northeastwards during the next 24 hours, IMD said in a tweet. High waves were observed at Tithal Beach in Gujarat's Valsad on the Arabian Sea coast in anticipation of cyclone Biparjoy. As a precautionary measure, Tithal Beach has been closed to tourists until June 14. Speaking to news agency ANI, Tehsildar TC Patel Valsad said, "We told the fishermen not to venture into the sea and they all have come back. People will be shifted to the village at the seashore if needed. Shelters have been made for them. We have closed Tithal Beach for tourists till June 14th. High-speed winds will affect weather in the Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra coasts till June 10th. Gale winds can reach a speed of 145 to 155 km per hour, gusting to 170 km per hour over the central Arabian Sea. The IMD has not yet predicted any major impact on countries adjoining the Arabian Sea, including India, Oman, Iran and Pakistan. As per IMD, the most affected areas by the storm are expected to be the adjoining regions of the West Central and South Arabian Sea. Apart from this, coasts of North Kerala, Karnataka and Goa are expected to be affected. Several districts in Kerala, including Thiruvananthapuram, Kollam, Pathanamthitta, Alappuzha, Kottayam, Idukki, Kozhikode and Kannur were put on yellow alert on Friday. Fishermen claimed that the recent restrictions on fishing off the coast of Kerala on account of the very severe cyclonic storm Biparjoy approaching India's coasts have added to their woes. One of the fishermen in Valiathura coastal village said, "The government is not considering us as human beings, they only come asking for votes." According to the IMD, states like Bihar, Odisha and Jharkhand will continue to reel under heatwave conditions till Monday, while Uttar Pradesh will encounter heatwave conditions till Sunday. Meanwhile, parts of sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim and Andhra Pradesh may witness heatwave conditions till Saturday.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.